If your Samsung S24 or S25 phone does not vibrate for incoming calls, then in the next 60 seconds I will show you how to fix the issue. The first thing that you will do is you will go to settings here. You go to the option sounds and vibration and make sure that you have enabled this option vibrate while ringing. Similarly, when you are in this sounds and vibration, you will scroll down and go to this option vibration intensity and make sure that the volume for this call is set to maximum so that you can feel the vibration. After that, open the quick settings notification panel and you will see this volume icon. So make sure that this volume icon is set to sounds and vibration like this one. Also, when you are in this quick settings panel, pull the screen down and make sure that do not disturb mode is disabled. Now the other thing that you can do is you can go to settings here, go to this option general management, go to reset, select this option reset all settings and then select reset settings. So this will reset the settings that you have made in your phone. No data will be deleted, but the Wi-Fi will be disconnected. You have to again enter the password. The Bluetooth devices will be disconnected. You have to reconnect them again. So do all of this and your phone should vibrate for incoming calls. Thank you for watching the video. Please comment in the box below which method solved your issue.